December 2024 will be remembered as a very sad month because of two terrible airplane crashes. On Christmas Day, an Azerbaijan Airlines flight crashed near Aktau, Kazakhstan. A few days later, a Jeju Air Flight crashed while landing in South Korea. These crashes, happening so close together, have shocked people around the world and made everyone worried about airplane safety. On the morning of December 29th, Jeju Air Flight 2216, flying from Bangkok, Thailand, was landing at Muan International Airport in South Korea. The Boeing 737-800 had 175 passengers and 6 crew members. At about 9:00 a.m. local time, the plane went past the runway while landing. It hit a barrier and caught fire. Sadly, 179 people died. Only 2 crew members lived and they were badly hurt. Early reports show some scary things happened before the crash. 6 minutes before the accident, the control tower warned about birds near the airport. 1 minute later, the pilot called for help. It looks like the wheels were not down when the plane landed. The plane seems to have landed too fast. Muan International Airport has had problems with birds hitting planes before. It has the most bird strikes, 0.09% of flights, compared to other smaller airports in South Korea. Also, the same plane had a problem 2 days earlier and had to land in Seoul because of something that happened. Christmas Day brought another sad airplane crash. Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8243, an Embraer 190 plane, crashed near Aktau, Kazakhstan. The flight was coming from Baku, Azerbaijan. At least 38 people died in the crash. We don't know many details yet because the crash happened in a faraway place, and people are still looking into it. The plane was trying to land quickly when it crashed. We don't know for sure why it crashed, but some people think it might have been accidentally shot down. They think a Russian air defense system in the area might have mistaken the plane for something else. People all over the world are sending help and kind words to the families of those who died. South Korea had 7 days of national mourning after the Jeju Air crash. Leaders from different countries have said they are very sorry about what happened. People are looking into both crashes very carefully. The South Korean Transport Ministry is leading the investigation into the Jeju Air crash, and they might get help from the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB. It might take a few weeks to understand what's on the damaged black box. People are also looking into the Azerbaijan Airlines crash and trying to find the black boxes to figure out why it crashed. These sad events in December 2024 remind us how important airplane safety is and how much we need to learn from these crashes so they don't happen again.